Welcome to this tutorial video. The goal of this video is to show you how to verify patient bookings with the Patient Identifier. Verifying a patient's booking using the Patient Identifier not only updates the patient's profile, but also verifies the patient's identity with enhanced accuracy. The process involves capturing a new photo of the patient, which is then analyzed using facial recognition software to identify the patient. The system compares the new photo with existing records to find possible matches. This process helps maintain up-to-date records and improves the accuracy of the patient's identification, enhancing security and reducing the risk of errors in patient management. In this video, we will start on the Patient Identifier screen with the patient that has already been identified. For more information regarding how to identify a patient, please refer to How to Use the Patient Identifier user manual linked in this video's description. Click on the Verify button corresponding to the booking you wish to verify. Once the Verify Booking patient screen has opened, you can proceed with updating the patient's profile picture and verifying their identity. Click on the New Picture button if you have captured a new photo of the patient and wish to update their profile picture. However, please note that if the current picture is still relevant, you can skip this step. Click the Save button to update the patient's profile picture with the new image and complete the verification process. Click on the Close button to return to the diary screen. The booking will be updated and marked as verified.